All right, so in this video demonstration, we're gonna go over the GoGo Folding Scooter by Pride Mobility. This is the GoGo Folding Scooter, folds up all in one piece. There are some options that you can have with this unit. You can get this with a lithium battery pack, or you can get this with a sealed lead acid battery pack. The lithium battery pack is just a lighter option. So I believe the lithium battery pack is like 7 to 9 pounds. Sealed lead acid battery pack's 18 pounds. So the unit without the battery pack in it is 51 pounds. So you can do the math. If you keep your lithium batteries in it when you fold it up, you're about 60 pounds. If you have the sealed lead acid batteries, you're a little closer to 70 pounds. But this is a very well-made unit by Pride Mobility, and it's their only type of folding type scooter that they currently offer on the market. Only other option that you can potentially get with this is you can get this with armrests as well. It's an upgrade. It's $150 to $175 more for the armrests, but you can get armrests added to the unit. But standard pricing does not come with the armrests. So I'm going to go over a couple of things on this scooter with you. So this has a 250-pound weight capacity. The unit goes about 4 miles an hour, top end speed. Nice part about the unit is it's small and compact. It's 37 inches in total length, and it's about 19 inches wide. Now, if you have armrests on there, your armrests slide in and out, so that could be wider than 19 inches. But without the armrest, just as you see it here, 19 inches wide, 37 inches long, and it has a 250-pound weight capacity. So as I mentioned earlier, there's two different battery packs. With the lithium battery pack, it's lighter. It is more expensive for lithiums, but you get about 13 miles on a full charge. With your sealed lead acid batteries, quite a bit cheaper. You can get those batteries anywhere. You get about 9 miles on a full charge. So it's just depending on how far you want to go. And that is up to 13 and up to 9 miles. So depending on, you have somebody that's 250 pounds going uphill terrain that's creating the motor to strain, you're going to get less distance. Somebody as compared to somebody 100 pounds going on flat surface might actually get maybe more than what they say. But that is the maximum distance that they say you can potentially get if you're up near the weight capacity. A unit like this only comes with one size seat. Now the seat, if I actually put a tape measure on, it measures about 15.5 inches wide at the widest point. And then if you were to really do from the backrest, which is how most people measure, to the front of the end of the seat, you're about 15 inches as well. Now the measurements online are just actually measuring the cushion, which is 13 by 15, but most people really measure from where your spine is to the front of the seat, and you're really closer to about 15 inches. So as for just to give you a relative perspective, I'm about 215 pounds and I'm 6 feet tall. So if I was to sit in this unit with my feet like this is how you would appear. So anybody that might be 6'4", 6'5", their knees might be in their chest. Anybody smaller, they would not, then they would be perfectly fine. While sitting in this unit, you do have a tiller adjustment in height. It does not adjust forward and back, but it does adjust in height. So somebody, if they were long-legged, they could have more room here. You know, you could raise it up to where you have, I'm a 6-foot individual, I have about 5 inches between my kneecaps and the steering column. And then you're going to tighten this back up at whatever desired height that you like. But once again, this does not come towards you at all. Some scooters have a knob down here or a lever that you can adjust the tiller angle. This does not. Nice part about this scooter is it does fold up easy. Battery pack comes out, so if you do take the battery pack out, you're 51 pounds. Take the battery pack out, it literally just drops into a case. Just drops right into the unit. So you can just lift it up. It's got a little bit of Velcro on it. Like I said, this is the sealed lead acid battery pack, and then you could just set it off to the side. That is 18 pounds. So I'll show you how the unit folds up, but you can fold it up with the battery pack, but most people decide to take it out because it's very easy to take out, and it takes off between 10 on a lithium to 18 pounds on a sealed lead acid battery pack. So what they recommend when you fold this up is to lower the tiller down in the lowest position, tighten it back up, fold your seat down forward, just goes down with pressure, and then you have a handle right here, this red handle. When you pull that handle, you'll see the floorboard already start to give in. And then you can take your main tiller column and bring it down until you hear that click. Once that clicks, you can actually pick this unit up and you can roll it around really nice, like a suitcase. So what people do if they take this in the airport, they'll actually, once it's folded up, bring your tiller back up to where it's a comfortable height, retighten it, and then now you can just pull it around the airport like it's luggage. So that way it's nice in case you have mom or somebody older that you're trying to load up into the airplane, then you can just roll it back like this, or TSA or whoever else is loading it in the vehicle into the plane. Does not have to just throw your unit around, they can roll it around. So to unfold the unit, since you can't really access that handle, there's a separate brake handle here. So what you do is you're going to pull this red handle and lift up on this steering column at the same time. So when you pull that up, you're going to go right here, you're not in. You will hear the click and you'll see the floorboard flex out. So you want to actually push forward and pull back on this at the same time, and you'll hear that click like this. Now, once you've heard that click, I always check it. Tell everybody check it. Push down. Make sure it's not going to fold up on whoever's using the unit. Take your seat back, pull it back, and now you're ready to go. On a unit like this, like I said, 4 miles an hour. Let me actually drop the battery pack in. That would help. Take your battery pack. It literally just drops right back into the base. Once it's in there, turn your key on, and now you have power. So on this unit, turn it towards you. You do have LED headlights in the front, right here. And when you click those lights on, you have tail lights in the back as well. So let me show you that. So as you can see, tail lights back here, headlight up front. You do have a variable speed gauge out here. So you can go as slow as probably half a mile an hour or up to 4 miles an hour. There is a horn on the unit, and then you have a battery gauge too. On here you have 4 lights. So depending on which battery you have, let's say you have the battery that gets about 9 miles on a charge, well then you can equate each one of these to about 2.5 miles per charge. You will lose a light. You have 1 red, 1 orange, and 2 greens. They're not all going to be green when you're full. A lot of people get confused with that, thinking when they charge it up, all the lights should be green. No, the red, yellow, and green all mean something. Green means you're good to go. Yellow means you're in between, and red is going to mean that you're going to be on a lower charge. You're going to want to make sure you plug this in so that you can charge the unit. To charge the unit, another nice feature with units where the battery pack comes out, there's 2 things you can do. You can plug it in and charge it while it's in the unit, or you can take your battery pack out and you can bring it inside your home. So a lot of people with these units that are easily transportable, they only need it when they're going into Publix, shopping, airports. They don't use it daily inside their home. And if that is the case for you, you can take your battery pack out, take it out, bring that inside, and then you can charge that and bring it back, put it in the back of the unit. The charging port for these is actually located right into the battery. So you have this little case covering right here, this little sticker on new ones. You would take that and you would twist this little knob to the side. Inside the charger, you have a circle with 3 pins. Plug it in, it only plugs in one way. The other end plugs into here and then goes into any 110 outlet. Most units like this take about 8 to 10 hours to charge based on if the chair is almost empty. So now if you have a lithium battery pack or you have a sealed lead acid battery pack, your battery charger would be different. A lithium and a sealed lead acid battery charger are not the same, so do not try to interchange those. The only color that this unit comes in is white. So this is currently the only model that they have that is a folding type all one-piece scooter made by Pride Mobility. It's called the S19 GoGo Folding Scooter. We always run specials on these, so if you have any questions, any concerns, give us a call. We'd be glad to help you. Once again, here is the GoGo S19 Folding Scooter. This one has the sealed lead acid battery packs on it. You see how it's a 4-wheel unit, kind of looks like a 3-wheel unit because you have 2 wheels that are really close together in the front, but I'm a 6 foot tall, 220-pound individual, so you can kind of see what I look like sitting on this seat. It is comfortable. It does turn very sharp, so if I was to actually turn this completely sideways, you'll see you really do not need much room to turn this. So this is one you can use inside small spaces. You could use this inside your home. You do have a reverse as well. So it goes forward and reverse. It has built-in electromagnetic brakes, so when you go and when you let off the throttle, the unit will stop automatically within a foot, even if you're at max speed. Headlights, tail lights. Now with a unit like this, being small wheels, being a portable type unit, they're not made to go on the grass. So a lot of units we show out here driving in the grass, small wheels, small motors, especially after here being in Florida, it just rained a minute ago. You definitely don't want to take it on a soft surface. So Now, if it's a field grass, hard, compact baseball field, something like that, you might be okay if you're not heavy, but it's not truly intended for that. Really what this is used for is on a hard top surface. So once again, GoGo Folding Scooter, 4 miles an hour top end speed, 250-pound weight capacity, 37 in total inches of length, 19 inches wide unless you have armrests, and it'll make it wider. It's a really nice unit, folds up, 51 pounds without the battery pack in it. Give us a call today. We'd be glad to help you.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.